This is Nicole and welcome back. And baby, I've been shopping. I've been to Torrid, Ashley Stewart, and this king size bag of items from Forever 21. Now y'all know when I shop, I like to shop on a budget, and I got to. It's a must that I save my coins. So if you all are interested in what items I have from Ashley Stewart, Torrid, and Forever 21, then you gotta continue watching. Continue to watch. Before I jump in to this huge haul, massive haul, mega haul, I first want you to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and then hit that notification bell so you will be notified of any time I post a video. So y'all, I've been shopping, and I was never really an online shopping person, but I know when you shop online, you get the most bang for your buck. So y'all, I ordered some items off Torrid. I think it was like 2 weeks ago. They had boots, buy one, get one free. So I was like, okay, cool. You know, I had never tried Torrid boots on, but I know they got the high waist, the calf boots for the girls that got the thick calves like me. So I saw 2 pair of cute boots. So when I went to pick up my boots yesterday, I got an email on Thursday and said one of my items was not available. So I'm like, dang it, and it was a buy one, get one free. All clearance is still going on at Torrid. All clearance items are buy one, get one free. So I went in there yesterday and I told the girl, I was like, yeah, one of my pair of boots wasn't here. So she was like, oh, well, you know, just find you another free clearance item. So she gave me the boots to try them on, make sure they fit. Y'all, these are so cute. Let me take this tape off so y'all can see these riding boots. Oh, y'all, these are so cute. I got them in a 9. So I just am so happy that I finally know where I can get some boots from for this thick calf. And as you see right here, it stretches. It stretches. So these are very cute. I got them in a size 9. So she was like, we could see. When I originally got the boots, they was $59.91, 9 buy one get one free. So I would have got 2 pair for $50. So when I went in yesterday, she was like, oh, the boots are now $29.99. I'm gonna adjust your price. I said, why, girl, thank you. Let me go to this clearance rack. So I needed to find something to replace my one free item that they, you know, took back. And I searched through them clearance racks. And one thing about the Torrid that I went to, the clearance section was jacked up. But I did find this. Doom, 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 doom. Thank you for being a friend. Doom, 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 doom. Travel down the road and back again. I found this Golden Girls t-shirt. Now, original price in US is $34.90. It was marked down to $24.98. And then I got it free because I got it with those boots. But y'all, this is so cute. It's me and my friends. So I ain't gonna call us out and say which one of us is the Golden Girls. But whichever one throw the most shade is me, because I can't be petty and I can't be shady. Y'all cannot wait to wear this. This is a cute little graphic tee. That was my free item. And then I couldn't pass up, you know, leave without getting nothing else. So they had some leggings. This was the buy one get one free. Now I like the print on these, and I got them in a size 1. So typically when I get jeans from there, well, when I try jeans on, I get them in a size, I think, 2. But you know, you want leggings to fit good. So these are very cute. I love the print. I could actually have them on with this shirt right now. But yes, they are very cute. And this is the first pair of leggings I got. So the regular price for their leggings are $33.90. And then they were marked down to $21.98, which I think is a little pricey for some leggings, but they not cheap and flimsy and nothing like that. So I got that pair of leggings. And then I was looking at these. Now the girl on the paper, I saw a little shiny. I was like, wait a minute, is that some leather on there? And to my surprise, y'all, Baby, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. It is some little faux leather down the side. Woo, y'all. I got a shirt in my closet that I'm gonna pair that with. So be on the lookout for a lookbook. But yes, these are so cute. And yes, Torrid. Yes, Torrid. So I got 2 pair of leggings, that t-shirt, and the shoes. All I had to pay was like a $2 difference. So coming out, that was like $57 for this. And I say that's pretty damn good coming from Torrid, because Torrid is high. So here go my receipt. I mean, not freestyle y'all on how much I spent. So it says customer save $43.96. So the boots were $29.99, and then that t-shirt was free, and then the leggings were $18.98. So I paid the higher price. So the $21.98 leggings, and then the other ones was free. Oh, I can't wait to wear them leggings. I'm gonna put them one leggings on with this shirt, you know, something like a rose gold color. And I thought the bag was real cute, so they gave me one cute bag and one basic bag. The next thing is from Ashley Stewart, and I was on their website. Both of these stores I got an account for, Ashley Stewart and Torrid. I just opened it when I wait till they got sales, because I ain't trying to, you know, cash out like that. But I was on Ashley Stewart, and I saw this cute coat. Now, when I went in the store that day, they ain't have no cute colors. But I got this coat for $19.99. Now, how cute is this? $19.99? Regular price for this was $99. Let me show y'all. Regular price for this was, wait a minute. Regular price for that was $99. I got it for $19.99. It's a 2X. And it's still somewhat cold in Missouri. In the STL. Let me try this jacket on for y'all. It pays to buy off season, y'all. Oh, this is so cute. Let me zip it up and show y'all. Y'all. This coat is so cute. Look how the how it's made right here. These the sleeve kind of rolls back, but it doesn't. You know, it kind of looks like you could take that off of there. Y'all, this is so cute. So I got this $100 coat for $19.99. Save your coins, lady. Yes, y'all. Shop on the clearance and shop off season. So look at the inside of it. Oh, that is so cute, y'all. And then it got the fur. The hood also, I love the gold detailing, and the hood does come off if I wanted to take it off. The brand is Details International, and again, this was $99.50, and I got it for $19.99. That is really cute. So that's the only item from Ashley Stewart. But this next thing for y'all, ooh, this next thing for y'all. Some of these items, I'm so happy to get it. So I got this cute little satin jacket. Y'all, this jacket is so cute. They're calling it what did they call this? This color, they're calling it copper. Yeah, they're calling this copper because I got another. Y'all, this is so cute. So regular price $24.50. I got it for $8.10. Ooh, y'all, I could not pass this up. Now, I didn't know how this was gonna fit, because of course I ain't been in there in a minute to try no clothes on, but I was like, this stuff better fit, because at these prices I'm gonna make it fit. Got another one. Look at this, like the Varsity Jacket type. This was $34.90 regular price, and I got it for $10.80. And y'all, oh, this is so cute. Oh, I could also wear this today. Y'all supposed to be going to the movies, but I could put on my little jacket. Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Whew, baby, do y'all like this jacket? Comment and tell me so far. Are y'all feeling these two jackets? Like, baby, you can have your girls out a little bit, or even if you ain't want to wear no tank, you just put this on. Oh, I love this. This is also a 2X, like Forever 21. Y'all being good to me. The next item I picked up was this sweater. It's like really cute. Regular price, all the stuff is in 2X. Regular price was $17.90. The color is, okay, their color is light rose. Regular price was $17.90. I got this for $50, y'all. For $50. It is a little oversized, but that's okay because this makes me feel so warm, y'all. I love this neckline and this detail on this sweater. It is so cute. Of course, I got that tank on with it. Y'all, this sweater is so cute. So if I didn't have the tank on, look how this just hit. This is so cute. The sweater is so cute. But yes, I got this for $4.50. I love when sweaters are a little bit longer. Y'all, this I thought was really cute. I love black stripes. So this was a black and white little shirt. I got it for $4.50, but the regular price was $14.90. Now this is a 2X as well. And what I really liked about it is that low cut in the front and then these sleeves. This is so cute. Oh my God, y'all. This shirt is so cute. When I tell y'all how cute this is, it's like a little crop shirt. If y'all see how they fit, that is really cute. What I really love are the sleeves. I'll put this on with some black pants. Y'all, this is the cutest shirt. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at that. I love that detailing around there. This is so cute, y'all. Next item is this rib sweater, color black. And what I first fell in love with was this little choker around the neck. So regular price was $19.90 and I snatched this up for $6.30. Y'all, oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, got the girl saying, hey, what I did not see on the model. Look at the sleeves. Right there. That little slit. Oh, that just gives this so much character. This is also like a crop sweater. So as y'all can see where that's hitting me right there. Oh, this, I love this. Oh my goodness, y'all. Tell me, do y'all love this sweater? Do y'all love this? And then I pull that hair back to the front. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is so cute. When I tell y'all, y'all see how much I'm paying for these clothes? I might spend my money back, but I saved my coin. I saved my coin. Let's get on to this next item. I did not mean to try this on with y'all, but I had to. Because I didn't ever do my first try on for the other one. But don't believe me. Just watch that video. It was coming right after this one. So I got this in a 3X because I read online somebody said it runs small. So this is a knit top. This shirt was $4.50 and that sweater was $5.40. That mauve sweater. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to tell y'all the wrong thing. This was $5.40. This was $4.50. And what I fell in love with was this ruching at the cap of the shoulder. Oh my God, y'all, this is so cute. Look at that. Look at that, how cute that is. Somebody said the arms had run small, so I ain't want a chance and get no 2X, so I got a 3X, and I'm glad I did. Look how this fits. And then, of course, my pants are too big. That's why you see that belt loop. But yes, y'all, this is so cute. I love little tops. It's so soft, comfortable. Y'all, this is a very cute color. Like, I'm trying to stay away from dark colors, but I just love this. And of course, my limbs are not that long, so everything always fit big on me. But I ain't falling over to no petite category, because petite stuff be flooding and the shirts be always short. But this is so cute, y'all. I got 2 more items to show y'all. This next one is a heather gray top. This heather gray top was $4.50. It's really cute. But some more bell sleeves. Oh, this is so cute. This was regular price $14.90. Got it for $4.50. And just let me show this to y'all. Oh, y'all. This is so cute. It fits. Like, I probably could have got a 3X, but I think a 3X would have been too tight. A 3X would have been too tight. I mean, too big. But I'm kind of glad this fits like this. Look at that. It's just the right length. Hit you right here at the waist. I love these sleeves, y'all. This is so cute, y'all. I love this. Like, and it's so soft. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. One more item, y'all. And I'm sorry if this video was below, but comment below and thumbs up if you like when I do my hauls to try to close on in the video. Just let me know, because I didn't think y'all would want that because it make the videos too long. But if you like it, please comment below and let me know. Y'all know I love a good jumpsuit. This item is still on the website now for $20. Regular price, it's on sale now for $19.98. Regular price was $27.90. Nicole got this jumpsuit $9. Now, I don't have nobody here to button the back up for me, but I'm ready to try this on for y'all. This is velvet, but it's a very lightweight velvet. The girl's gonna be out, so let me try this on for y'all. I'll be right back. Y'all, this jumpsuit though, let me move this back so y'all can get the full experience of this jumpsuit. So in the front, oh my God, I'm gonna show y'all. Like, this is a very lightweight velvet. I couldn't get the back to I couldn't button the back up right here, but it's a snap button right here on the back. Let me show y'all. Try to make sure I do section by section. I'm gonna show y'all the jumpsuit again. I won't be wearing no bra because I don't like this tack, but you possibly could still play it off. I ain't worried about that hanging out. I'm about to lose a few pounds. As y'all can see, if you got rolls, you could probably wear you some high waist panties and make sure they don't exceed right here. And you ain't gotta worry about none of that. I'm gonna show y'all the jumpsuit again. I won't be wearing no bra because I don't like this tacky, but you possibly could still play it off. I ain't worried about that hanging out. I'm about to lose a few pounds. If you got rolls, you could probably wear you some high waist panties and make sure they don't exceed right here. And you ain't got to worry about none of that. Are y'all in love with this jumpsuit or not? I am. I don't even want to take it off. But this is the end of this haul. I know this video was long, but I saved the best piece for last. So comment below and tell me if you all enjoyed this haul. Let me know if you like me trying on the clothes when I show them to y'all, after I show them to y'all. I think that'll make a little bit more sense. Y'all, this jumpsuit. Oh, yes. So I'm done with this haul. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will be notified when I post. And I do thank you all for watching. Thank you all for supporting. And I will see y'all in my next video. Oh, y'all, this is cute. Bye, y'all.